if your engine, if you open up the side crankcase of your engine, and you will see this slimy deposit. It's like a silver, somewhat silver paint, something like silver paint. If you see that in your engine, there's a high chance that something is broken, a bolt or anything inside your engine that is broken. So to show you, in my engine I have 3 broken high tension bolts. So this used to be in here, and the 2 is here, and the 3rd is there. So it's supposed to be there, but it's broken. So this used to be, this should look like this, and the 3 bolts should be there inside. Yeah, 3 bolts should be there, but for some reason, probably it's because of my misgear, the 3 bolts broke into pieces. So can you clearly see here the marks? So definitely this is totally damaged. If I can find a way to extract this remaining bolt, I can still salvage this, but if not, I'll be buying a new. And wish me next time not to have a misgear again. So that's it.